Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've installed Word and signed in with your Microsoft 365 account. Now begin a new saved document. Tap the plus icon to create and choose a template or blank document, then name it and save to OneDrive so changes sync. Once done, adjust basic layout. Tap a icon for font, size, and paragraph spacing. Make sure autosave is on to prevent loss. These first actions get your document ready and connected across devices so you can edit confidently. Now focus on detailed editing and productive formatting to make the content clear. Select text to reveal the inline toolbar for bold, italics, styles, and paragraph tools. Use the full ribbon for advanced options like columns or line spacing. Insert images or tables. Tap them to resize and set text wrap so layout flows correctly. Use heading styles for navigation and the search tool to replace terms across the doc. Make sure to preview in mobile view and switch orientation for layout checks. Finish by collaborating, exporting, and securing your final work. Tap Share to invite people, choose Edit or View permissions, and use comments for feedback. Real-time co-authoring updates as others edit. When ready, export to PDF or save a local copy. Check version history to restore prior edits. If something goes wrong, like sync failures, check OneDrive connectivity, sign out and back in, and restart the app. That usually clears credential or caching issues and gets you back to editing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.